Hello students. We are discussing about nested for loop. Nested for loop. Nested for loop is a loop that is otherwise known as loop inside a loop. Loop inside a loop. Okay. So all of you know that for loop has three parts. One, initialization, semicolon, condition checking, semicolon, reinitialization. Then bracket close. So for loop is first you start the bracket, initialize, semicolon, condition checking, semicolon, reinitialization. Then now we discuss about nested for loop. For again initialization, semicolon, condition, semicolon, reinitialization, bracket close. Again opening bracket for initialization, semicolon, condition, semicolon, reinitialization, bracket close, opening bracket, statements, semicolon, again closing bracket, closing bracket. So this is our structure of nested for loop. First, it is otherwise known as outer for loop, and this one is inner for loop. Okay, first for bracket start, initialization, semicolon, condition checking, semicolon, reinitialization, bracket close, opening bracket, curly bracket. Then next inner for loop is that for initialization, semicolon, condition checking, semicolon, reinitialization, bracket close, opening bracket, statements. Then again this is your closing bracket of inner loop, this is your closing bracket of outer loop. Okay, then next we discuss why we use. It is used for generating rows and columns. Nested for loop is used for generating rows and columns. And again we use counter variables to generate for loop. We take an example, that is 1 2 1, 3 2 1, 4 3 2 1. Then we use, for this structure, pyramid structure, we use nested for loop. For this we use two variables, I, j and n. Okay, I is used for row, J is used for column. Clear? Then now we write program for generating this using Java. Okay. For Java programming, we first write import io dot java dot io dot star class name, suppose NEST, class name, opening bracket, then public static void main string args, then again opening bracket, then we will take the variables what we use in this program. We will take int, the data type is integer type, I, j and n, then semicolon. Clear? Then for I is equal to 1, I is less than equal to, and we will take n is equal to suppose 4, then semicolon. Initialize the variable n here, n is equal to 4. Then we will use here n semicolon I plus plus. Clear? Then we will use opening bracket. Clear? Then for we will write j. Here we use reverse 1 2 1 3 2 1 4 3 2 1. So here I j is equal to next counter value j is equal to I. Clear? Then I is j is greater than equal to 1, j minus bracket close. You see 3 parts, for loop has 3 parts. One is initialization, semicolon, condition checking, reinitialization. Then opening bracket, print. For printing we use system dot out dot println bracket j, then semicolon, then closing bracket. Clear? Then system dot out dot println it is used for next line. Here, then closing bracket of outer for loop. This is closing bracket for inner for loop. This is closing bracket for outer for loop, and this one is for public static void main, and this one is for class. Then it is completed. Now we analyze how it is possible. Now we analyze that. First, step 1. I is equal to 1. Okay. Then we goes to the next for loop, that is j is equal to I. The that means implies j is equal to 1, and it is initialization part. Then we check condition j is greater than equal to I. Yes, 1 is greater than equal to 1. So we print j, 1, print j, that is 1. Then again j minus minus, that means 0. 0 is not greater than equal to 1. So it will terminate. Then we go to outer loop, that is step 2, and here I is equal to 2. Then we goes to the inner for loop. Here j is equal to I, means j is equal to 2. Okay. Then j is greater than equal to 1. Yes, 2 is greater than equal to 1. Then it print 2. First it print 2. Then I, in step 2, I is equal to 2, but j is equal to 1. Next, when you decrement j by minus 1, then you will see that j is equal to 1. 1 is greater than equal to 1. So, now it print 1. Okay. Then it is first it print 1, then 2, 1. Then in step 3, I is equal to 3. Here, step 3, I increases by 1. I plus plus means it is incremented by 1. Then it comes to the j inner for loop. J is equal to 3. J is equal to 3. Okay. Then j, print j, 3, and 3 is greater than equal to 1. So here print 3. Then next, after completion of inner for loop, we goes to the outer for loop. So that is your I is equal to 3, j is equal to 2. 2 is greater than equal to 1. So it will print 2. I is equal to 3, j is equal to 1. 1 is greater than equal to 1. Print 1. I is equal to 3, j is equal to 0, which is terminate. Okay. Next, we will go to step 4. Step 4, that is I is incremented by 1. I is equal to 4. Say j is equal to 4. 4 is greater than equal to 1. So it will print 4. Then j I is equal to 4. J is equal to 3. 3 is greater than equal to 1. Print 3. I is equal to 4. J is equal to 2. Then it will print 2. I is equal to 4. Then j is equal to 1. Means after completion of inner for loop, we go to the outer for loop. Okay. So if you complete the inner for loop, then here j is equal to 1. Okay. Then next j I is equal to 4, j is equal to 0. 0 is not greater than equal to 1. Terminate. Then step 5. I is equal to 5. 5 is not greater than 5 is not less than 4. Not less than 4. So it will terminate. This is all about your nested for loop. So thank you.